Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then today we are learning to start the chapter 4th. The name of the chapter is Conditional Control Structures. In this chapter, by using the C language, you will be able to define the control statement, conditional statement, and know the structures and use of the if statement, if else statements, how to use different conditions in the programs for taking the outputs, and you will also know the rule of break in switch statements, and you also will have be able to clear the concept of uses of nested selection structures, differentiate among all the selection structures, and the end you will be able to make to apply all these conditions in the programs for making a better results. So let's start. Conditional control structure. The question is, what is the conditional control structures? So the control structures are used in programs to implement the decisions. Before to knowing this concept, I will give you the real example. Suppose you and your friends are making the program for visiting another friend's home. So for a picnic. So this one is the conditions. You will put the conditions. If the weather is good, then we will be go over there. Otherwise, in the rainy seasons and other seasons, it's not possible for you people to go over there. Okay? So the condition is that if the weather good is a good weather, then you will be able to visit their friend's home. Otherwise, not. Same like that, the control structures are used in programs to implement the decisions. Means when you want to make a decisions, you will use the control structures. So control statements is the instructions which determine the sequence of executions of other statements, means that it controls the flow of executions of program statements. Means you will repeat the, you will apply the different sequence of equations of one statements to another statements. Okay, and through these control statements, you will be able to control the flow of executions of the programs. How? By applying the different conditions, different structures of the conditions. Clear? Computer programmers also have to make decisions and perform some operations depend on the user's input in the programs. According to the user's input, according to the user's requirements, they have to apply the different conditional structures through which they will make the programs. Okay, so conditional control statements basically. Next is the conditional statements. Conditional statement is the instructions in the programming language that contain conditions. Okay, means the conditional statement is the conditional instructions. Okay, suppose when a condition is applied, first the condition is evaluated, then based on the results or the either is true or false, are particular statements, a set of the statement is executed. Clear? I will give you an example. Suppose you are making the mark of the students. Suppose if Khatija, I will give the example. If Khatija is obtaining 90% marks, then she will be get the A grade. Okay. Other than if her marks is less than 90%, then he will be get the B grades. So this is the conditions. Okay, first they evaluate, they check the conditions. Either the condition is satisfied, condition is fulfilled, then they will be applied. Look, this is the basically the flow chart. Yeah, other kinds is a hierarchy of this chapter. control flow of statements. There's two type of the control of flow statements. First one is the conditional statement and second one is the looping statement. In this chapter you will be learn the conditional statement, and your next chapter, the chapter number 5th, is based on the looping statement. These two statements is basically control the flow of statements, how the programs will be run. Okay. So the programs will be controlled by two type of the conditions, two type of the statement. The first one is the conditional statement. In this chapter you will be learn, and the next chapter you will be learn the looping statements. Okay. Conditional in this chapter you will be learn the if then statements, if then else statement, select case, switch, break statements. Clear? Means these are the conditions. And in the next chapter you will be learn the for next loop, do loop, while and loop. Okay, means here I've given a little bit briefing explain. I will here loop means give the same message you will have send more than one persons. Okay, means first at once you have written in the programs and call it again and again. Yeah, you have written once in the program and send the same message with multiple peoples. You no need to write it again and again. This is the looping, the repetition of the statements. Okay, so how you will be apply the looping statement? You will be applied to looping the statements for next through for next loop, do loop, while loops. So this is just first next chapter, but now you will be learn the conditional statements. Means when the condition is fulfilled you will be uh, perform the programs. So these three basic statements you will be learned in this chapter. The next is, this is the same conditional statements in C language. If statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, switch statement, break statement, go to statement, and return statements. Okay, all these are the conditional statements you will be applied in C language. So the first thing is that the structures of if statement. The first thing is that the syntax, if, condition, curly bracket, block of statements. Means here you will be applied the statements which you want, which they have the conditions. Okay, and then after the statements you will be close through a small curly brackets. Clear? Look at the programs. This is the program. The commands, the programs. If statement in C language examples, hash includes standard input output structure, integers main. The main body will be started integers number. Suppose you will check the enter any integer value. Okay, you take the value from the users, apply the scanf statements, percentage and end numbers, terminated with semicolons, and here you will be applied the conditions. If condition is number greater or equal than 1, okay, if the value या number the users has entered is greater than 1, then you will be show the positive numbers, other than show the negative number. Okay, so if number greater than 1, curly bracket, printf, you have entered positive integers. Clear? If the number is not greater than 1, then this message will not be shown. Look the example. Enter in any integer values. Suppose the user has entered -22. So -22 is less than 1. So program ended with exit code 0. तो प्रोग्राम्स जो है वो टर्मिनेट हो गया, उसने कोई शो नहीं किया. अगर you have entered the 1 या 2 or 3 any numbers, then this message will be shown on the screen. You will be able to see on this screen, you have entered positive integers. Clear? Means here the condition is applied. If the condition is true, then the statement is, otherwise not. Second is if else statement. First the syntax, if condition, small bracket, no curly bracket, sorry, block of statement, close, else, again curly bracket, block of statements, and then close. Clear? Look the example. This is the programs. If the students have greater than 32 marks, then they have get the message of pass, otherwise fail. Okay, so how you will make a code of it? Hash include standard input output, hash include constants input output dot h, void main void. Okay, small bracket, the main body will be started over here. Integers marks. Okay, so first thing we want to give, when we want to take some values from users, so we must display the some message. So for that is why we will use the printf statement, enter your marks. When user these statements will be on the screen, then apply the scanf percentage d comma marks bracket closed, terminated with semicolons. Through these equations the users enter the marks. Okay, now you will apply the conditions. If marks greater than 32, then small curly bracket, print congratulations, again print f, you have passed, close, else you have failed. Okay, means if you have entered less than 32 marks, you will get, if marks greater than 33, then this message will be appear, otherwise this message will be appear on the screen. Clear?